Thank you. Okay, action. Circle centered at the origin. This is video 5, people. Video 5. Passes to the point 6, comma 2.46. What's the equation of the circle? Well, make a diagram. So you draw the axes. Now, on this diagram, there's a point here at 6, comma 2.46. 6, comma 2.46. I gotta say, this is the third time I've taught this lesson today, and the two previous classes both made the same initial mistake. Guess what their mistake was, class?
Move the point over?
No, that's not the mistake they made. They thought that the radius would be 6.
No.
Which is, you know, it does spring to your mind immediately, right? You think, oh, it's 6.
Well,
But if the radius were 6, the diagram would look like that. It would curve away and it would miss the point. It cannot be 6. What is it? Bigger than 6 or less than 6?
bigger.
Yeah, it's got to be bigger than 6. Okay, that's all I wanted to sort of get across there. It's got to be a little bit more than 6, right? Because it's a circle that curves, right? So it's got to look like that.
0, 6?
Yeah, if it was 0, 6,
Okay.
that would work. But it's not. It's 6, comma 2.46.
Alright.
Okay, so I'm not going to be able to draw the rest of the circle. It's going to take up too much room. But we do agree that the radius r is greater than 6. R is higher than 6. Exclamation point. How do we figure out the equation of the circle, though? Okay, back on track. How do we figure out the equation of the circle? When we have a point on the circle, we will substitute. Yeah, substitute is like the theme of the day. Let's substitute. And we know that we're substituting into x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So substitute away. You get 6 squared plus, I'll need someone with a calculator very soon. Okay, folks, can somebody grab one? 2.46 squared. I know, it's a really nasty number. I know that one's 36. 6 squared, but I need this one. It's 5 point something. Anybody got it yet?
6.0516.
6.0516. Excellent. I can do this addition. So this will be 42.0516. Question. I know I'm going pretty quickly here, but just think right now. Just pause where you are. Just think. Do we need to figure out the radius? Do we need to square root this?
Yeah.
I know, you initially think, yeah. But do we really need to?
Well,
The equation contains r squared, not r.
oh.
Aha, we don't really need to square root this, so let's not bother. Let's just say, therefore, the equation is x squared plus y squared equals 42.0516. Done. That's our equation. So the question is, why don't we do the square root? The answer is because we don't need to. The equation of a circle has r squared in it. So why bother working out the square root when you're just going to have to square it again anyway and get back to 42.0516? So there's no point doing it. You can skip that step. Does that answer your question?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Stopping the video.